Hi there, welcome back for day 22 of our 30 days of PCOS and yoga. Today we are doing Garland, which is essentially a squat. So if you've ever squatted, you've done something similar to Garland or you've done Garland. Garland is one of my favorite poses to open your hips, release your back, your lower back especially, stretch out your ankles and your calves while also playing with your balance because it's not a position many of us spend tons of time in. It can feel different, and so you really have to figure out where to place your weight so that you feel the most stable. The way I'm going to show you how to do it, I'm actually going to show you two different ways. One of the ways, you'll need a block. So if you have a block, grab it. If you don't have a block, that's fine. A stack of books will work just as well. So go ahead, grab your mat, grab your props, and let's set up so that we can lower into Garland.
Come to the center of your mat. You may want to grab a block or a stack of books just to have in case you want to explore another way to do this pose. Stand with your feet wide apart and your toes facing the long edge of your mat. Turn your feet out to about 45 degrees. You can always adjust this as you're lowering if you find you need a little more space. Slowly bend your knees and lower your torso. You can see I had to step my feet out a bit to make room for myself. And bring your hips down between your calves or ankles, wherever they may land. Place your hands together at the center of your chest, and you can use your elbows to press your knees out. You can also sit on your block this way on the highest setting or on the medium setting. And that allows you to really rest into this pose and still get the same benefits. Place your hands down on the floor, remove your prop if you're using one. Place your hands behind you and then take a seat on the floor. You've now done Garland. See you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed this video. Even if you didn't, just tell me what you thought. You can also watch more videos here, well, up here, on the playlist, or you can watch this video just for you down here.